It's a mini ditto!
So I was scrolling through Colts 3D the other day, and I found this really cool vending machine. And this, you could pay about £3 for it. Me personally, especially here in the description, they say, hey, there Stag B has a free version. So I followed this. Why not use the free version? This one has a little extra kick to it, design-wise, but I really like the idea of having a vending machine in my home that people could come in, and if they do something cool or I just like them, I give them a token. They are then able to utilize the machine and get something that I 3D print for them. So I went to the website. Very easy to follow instructions. There are different versions with different boxes, bases that have different design patterns on them, and they could get pretty intricate. I wanted to keep it simple just to be sure it worked. When you get these mechanical prints, they sometimes on paper just seem a lot better than practical. They just don't work. They give you some print time estimates. I did the 0.3. I found this to be actually pretty accurate. It is probably going to take you about 15, 20 hours. And then they do recommend you need your own capsules, and you need a 1.5 liter bottle to fill up and kind of enclose the capsules inside. Along with this, again, this is completely free. Educolon? I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't know why that it sounds like a colonoscopy. I don't know why it's called that, but whatever. It's free. It's on this website. I'll put below in the description, but it has all the STL files. It has them labeled and created to where there are multiple pieces together. That way you could print multiple pieces at one time, but they also have each individual piece. So the instructions are very easy to use as well. Just pictures, very few steps, 15, 20 of them in all. Very easy to follow. And now I'm going to print all these, put them together, test this out. In theory, this is an amazing tool, a really cool 3D print. I hope it works as well as it seems on paper. You print all the different pieces, about 14 of them all together, and most of them just snap together. And once you snap them together, there are gears that work together. Ultimately, by the end, you're going to have a little coin, a little slot to put in, turn, and you can utilize these little spheres, or from as a kid, these little capsules to give presents to friends, family, things of that nature. I love this print. So after you built the base of your vending machine, you need to come up with how are you going to store the capsules and keep them enclosed. So the 3D print recommends to use a 1.5 liter container. Turns out that is not very easy to find. However, at the Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree here, I found this water bottle is 1.5 liters. I will say it's just a tiny bit too small. It may be hard to see here, but there's a line right there. Nothing that prevents it from working. So what I did is just cut this up and use about whatever length, really, however tall you want your vending machine to be. I did almost the entire length, and then make sure the edges are very straight. So on the top and bottom of where you cut, it can't be off by too much. Otherwise, it won't fit within the grooves of the base or our little top portion here. So once I added that, and it sat into the base really well, and I feel like it was suitable, I started to not use too much crazy glue, because you don't want to glue it to the point that if you need to take it off, you won't be able to get it off. But I crazy glued the first two portions up here. Same thing for up on the top lid. That will keep it in place so it's not going to move, but it also provides stability. And if I really need to get it off, I can still do that. So I'd recommend looking. It could be any 1.5 liter water bottle, but this is the one I found that worked well. It's really cheap. That way, now we can start focusing on actually filling the vending machine. So next thing you need to do is fill all of your capsules up for what you're going to put in your little vending machine. So you could purchase these little capsules just like we saw and we've seen from when we were a kid. About $8 on Amazon, so pretty cheap. They come in little acorn styles, so small. You could put something about 2 cm, 2 by 2 cm in here. Very easy to quickly 3D print any little gifts. So I made these little the little cap game thing as a joke. I made some little dittos. I've got hats. I wrote some notes. Hey, here's free ice cream. Here's free boba tea with me. Let your creativity run wild. Put these in the little capsules. Let's put it inside our machine, and then we're ready to actually get using this thing. Once we're all assembled, we take our handy dandy coin, we pop in here, give it a couple turns. Now we have our toy. There we go. Little cupcake.